there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add contacts to Gmail, making sure you never lose an important email address again. To begin, open up your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to organize your contacts. In the top right corner of your Gmail interface, you'll find a small icon that looks like a series of squares. Click on it and a menu will appear here. And then a menu will appear, and then all you have to do is to click contact. Now you will be redirected to a new web page. So we are here already in the contacts.google.com. In your contacts page, you'll see a create contact option or button on the left side. So click on that. Create a contact or create multiple contacts. So we will just create a contact for now. And then we will need to fill in the details here. And then after filling in the details, all you have to do is to click save. So once you're already done clicking the save button, your new contact is now saved in your Gmail account. If you have multiple contacts, you can create groups to keep things organized. Just click on the create multiple contacts options earlier. We see that, and then you can add multiple contacts in your Gmail account. And that's it. You now know how to add contacts to Gmail, ensuring you have important email addresses at your fingertips. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add contacts to Gmail. See you on my next video.